And as the sun began to set on another day at the factory, the aroma of watermelon. As you step inside the watermelon processing plant, the first thing that captures your attention is the sweet, refreshing scent of ripe melons.
Transcription. The first stop on the journey is the receiving area, where trucks loaded with freshly harvested
Inside a modern watermelon processing plant, from whole melons to sweet red juice, full process.
Transcription. Once the sorting process was complete, the chosen watermelons were washed and cleaned to remove any dirt or debris.
An overview of watermelon processing plant operations.
Next, the cleaned watermelons make their way to the cutting area, where skilled workers use sharp knives to slice them open with precision.
Hey, how are you doing?
I'm doing good. How are you?
Transcription. As the cutting process continued, the workers worked tirelessly to ensure that every melon was processed quickly and efficiently.
Klitschits. As you watch the final product roll off the production line, a sense of satisfaction washes over you. The
We've almost perfected the formula for our new watermelon juice.
Initial pH is 7.2. Beginning titration sequence.
This was a pivotal moment in the production process, the point at which the watermelon juice would be transformed.
With precision and care, the lead technician carefully selected a small vial of clear liquid and added it to the boiling watermelon juice.
Leaving the plant, you carry with you the memory of the sights, sounds, and smells of the processing operation. And fruit. As the final packages of watermelon juice were sealed and labeled, a sense of accomplishment filled the room. And so, the juicing and packaging process came to an end, leaving behind a trail of sweet red
And as they stepped out into the bright sunlight, the boxes of watermelon juice gleaming in the afternoon light, they knew that their work was far from over.
As the conveyor belt carried the freshly squeezed watermelon juice towards the packaging station, the liquid glowed a vibrant shade of pink. Once the watermelon juice had been pasteurized, it was ready to be packaged. Transcription. Finally, the boxes of watermelon juice were ready to be shipped out to stores and homes across the country. And as the boxes were sealed and shipped out to eager consumers around the world, the scientists